glider plane, and the guy, says, okay, you take it. It was like this old tin thing from world, like, probably 60 years old, I don't know. And he said, just keep it at 60 miles an hour. So I'm like, well, okay. And I'm so intent on looking at the speedometer, keeping it 60, that I didn't realize that to do that I was going down. He says, we're kind of losing altitude, kind of, you might want to, I said, but you're supposed to keep it at 60, you take it. He said, okay. He just said, well, okay, take it again. I did the same thing again. I could just fixate on that speedometer. We didn't fall out of the sky. They targeted the price of an airplane. It's this guy with a crop duster in the farms of Virginia that just charges them $15 to tow them off. Terrible. Flying club.
This flight crew, step us down and take these first crossing. Welcome to West Palm Beach. For your safety, the safety of those around you, remain